Yeah, people, today we're going to talk about this. Stay tuned. You know what this name? Me know you see it in our heading, man. But guess what now? No? Remember to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. We're going to deal with what? Ta-da! The ducky, quack, 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 quack. Let me say this side way. Quack, 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 quack. See you in the video. See you. Factory. Yo, today we are on duck flower. See it here? I cut one bamboo, make one hook stick, for you want them to go way up in our ear. You understand? Come in. You know, see, as a country boy, you have to have your thing in your waist. I it do your work. You see me? Bamboo well neat up, see it here? Right. We bingo. So I will be giving you fun facts. I will be giving you all the disadvantages and advantages and the health benefits of duck flower today. I will be telling you how this plant become a reset to humans. Yes, meaning like this really can reset your stomach, reset your hydrochloric acid, reset your blood as a blood purifier, reset your two filtering system, which is your kidney and your liver. Stay tuned for more duck flower. Now give you even the taxonomy, meaning the botanical name, you know, everything about it, family that it is from, showing you that it is a vine. Stay tuned.
Big dog. There's loads up there.
Sorry, let me take up the bag. Come people, look. Yeah man, we have goodies soon, you know? Yeah man. Goodies soon, you know? Big one up there, one definitely go can't catch you, man. But that one have big and nice. Oh, nice. stay up. Woo! Woo! On the big gun. Watch it again.
Drop.
Two big ones drop. Alright, let me see if I can catch it in a video and show them. Wally. Pick up my machete. Why people? You have to have your machete and you cover a bush. People stay with me. I will then drop now. You want to mash up a little bit, but it's enough. See the side way duck? One more drop though. Big one. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? People. So as you look at the leaf are art-like. And the botanical name is a funny name. It's Astrolochia graniflora. Yeah, and it's from the Astrolochia family. If I should give you a description, the pelican flower is they call it a deciduous vine with one of the world's largest flower that emits an odor that smells like a rotten meat, and it attracts fly. If I should give you some health benefits, the health benefits is it detoxifies the body, where it promotes weight loss, boosts energy, improves sleep, mental clarity, improve moods, help regulate your heartbeat, and as I told you before, it's a reset button for human health. A reset button. So I will be giving you some videos when I will be using my pick tip. See? When we use my machete, look. So for the ones that are way up there, all around here, so we're going to show you what we have in the bag. We have this for sale on our website. If you wanted to buy in bulk, you also can send us a private message, and we have it locally here in Jamaica, affordable. Very, very affordable, because nature feed us, so we don't crave over here, right? Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Coming up, people. So watch me now. Duck flower. See it here, it is a water plant. You see me? Very stink, have a pungent scent, right? Normally they're near to river. There's a river over there and across there, because that's where we're finding it. As you can see, it's a vine. It's our vine, because I run on a vine. See it here? Yeah, man. And these one has gas in them, can become very poisonous, so it has to release the gas. Look at this one. Like how this one. So because of the shape, why then call it a duck flower? Because if you sit in a particular way, it look like a resting duck. You understand? Yeah, man. So it is used for the reset of one's stomach. You can use it to purify the blood. You understand? I'm coming with it. Yeah, normally it's so strong, you can feel it churning and moving my stomach based on how it is strong here. So me normally no advise as a herbalist to take this as is. Me normally tell you that to quail it or dry it a little bit more, so that some of the toxin can remove from it. It depends on your body mass. One flower is probably for a person with big body mass. Probably me, I would go for one flower, even though I'm not so big, but I would advise you to take your time. Normally when it's dry, because it's a water plant, you're supposed to soak it in water to rejuvenate and rehydrate it, so that you get back in life before you take it, right? Some people blend it up, some people cut it up and take it with the water. It depends. Some can eat it as is, but it's up to you. You understand? Yeah, man. They got me tick, people. And they got me tick, but guess what? The tick has been good for us. Look at that. Yeah, go far, come back, people. Don't left, people. Don't left. Don't left. Don't left. Duck flowers. Reset. Come take a look. Up on the side of your duck when you sit down. Haha! Yeah, people. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Remember if you subscribe for more video like this. So, yeah, man. May I carry the herbs them, which is healing of the nation right on the doorstep in both video and in real life sensation. Love you and love on yourself. Here, remember what is bitter to the tongue, sweet to the stomach. This not taste good, but it's good for your liver and kidney. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. KTV Foundation have produced a One for All. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.